Sexually reproducing organisms start their life cycle from a single cell zygote. The stages through which a cell passes from one division to the next is called cell cycle. Each progresses through the cell cycle in 90 minutes. The cell cycle is divided into two phases, interphase and M-phase. Nuclear division is known as keraiokinesis, while cytoplasm division is known as cytokinesis. In the cell cycle, the resting phase during which cell is preparing for cell division is called interphase, divided into G1, S and G2 phases. In G1 phase, synthesis of RNA, ATP, proteins and nucleotides occurs. Most of the cell organelles duplicate. During S phase, amount of DNA per cell doubles. In G2 phase, Golgi, mitochondria and chloroplast duplicate and synthesis of RNA, proteins, etc. If the cell has 2n number of chromosomes at G1, then number of chromosomes after S phase will remain 2n. G0 phase of the cell cycle is called quiescent stage, cell metabolically active but do not proliferate. During prophase of M phase, duplicated centriole begins to move towards the opposite poles of a cell. Chromatin condensed cell organelles start disappearing and nuclear membrane disintegrates. Kinetochores on surface of centromeres serve as the site of attachment of spindle fibers to the chromosome. The plane of alignment of chromosome at metaphase is referred to as the metaphase plate. Anaphase stage is characterized by splitting of centromeres and separation of chromatids. Nuclear envelope assembles around chromosome clusters in telophase stage of M phase. During cytokinesis, in a plant cell, formation of cell plate represents middle lamella between the walls of two adjacent cells. In animals, cytokinesis is achieved by a cell furrow. During zygote stage of prophase, first chromosomes start pairing together. This process of association is called synapsis. During zygote stage, the complex formed by a pair of synapsed homologous chromosomes is called a bivalent. Crossing over occurs during pygetin stage of prophase. First, it is an enzyme-mediated process. An enzyme involved is called recombinase. Crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes. In humans, the membrane of the erythrocytes has approximately 52% proteins and 40% lipids. Mitosis is called equational division, whereas meiosis is called directional division. Number of daughter cells formed after mitosis is 2 and after meiosis is 4. Mitosis helps in healing of wound, cell repair, maintenance, nucleocytoplasmic ratio and gamete formation in haploid organisms. Meiosis helps in conservation of specific chromosomes number across the generation in sexually reproducing organisms and in bringing variations. आपका चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गया है बस 5 मिनट में। यह चैप्टर बहुत ही ज़्यादा छोटा है, इसलिए इस चैप्टर में जो इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं वो बहुत ही कम हैं और जिनको मैंने बता दिया है आप इनको 1-2 बार देख लीजिए। अगर आप इनको याद कर लेते हैं तो आपका यह चैप्टर पूरा कंप्लीट हो जाएगा और आपको आने वाले एग्ज़ाम में प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं होंगी। अगर किसी बच्चे को कोई डाउट है या कोई पॉइंट समझ में नहीं आया है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में बता दें। अब मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट चैप्टर द लिविंग वर्ल्ड के सारे इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स के साथ।